What's up, cyborgs? Cyboy here. Cashing in on that Cyboogie hype. And the B-side. Couple short little riffs for you today. Sorry it's been a while. Here we go.
Alright, first song, Acarine. No idea what that means. I'll play it through real quick and then I'll see what's going on. Okay, so pretty simple. I'll play the first half, just starts off with the 7 blow. Okay, and the second little half. Yeah, not much to this really. It's just fun. It's hard to play at the speed of the song. So just start out slow and then kind of put the song in the background, speed it up a little bit, slow it down if you need to. It's a fun one. It's a fun one though. Alright, next up we're going to dive into some Cyboogie. I'm just converting the synth into harmonica just for fun. Just on the little chorus part. I'll play it through right now and then we'll come back to the screen. So here we go. Okay, so Cyboogie. We got, starts on a 4 draw, so here we go. That's the first little part after he says Cyboogie for the first time. Again, these are all just like conversions from a synthesizer, so the second part's not going to be right. But it's fun. I don't know. You can mess around with it. It's fun to play. This is with a D Harmonica, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that. D Harmonica. So the second part after he says Cyboogie, and it's kind of like that robo electro slide going on. Here's the best I got. So yeah, so just 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. It's kind of like, it's just a little walk down. And then the third part of, third time he says Cyboogie, it's just the same as the first part, but instead of going down to 4, you go up to a 5 blow. So. Alright, yeah, pretty easy. Not much to Cyboogie either. The fourth time is just a total walk up. I don't know. You could figure out the scale if you want. Well, I hope you guys learned something, or maybe you didn't learn anything, or maybe I fucked some stuff up. I don't know. I kind of threw this one together pretty quick. I'm just gonna ramble a bit since nobody's watching anymore, so it's cool. It's just me and the croc. A couple of you guys wanted me to do Am I in Heaven? Go in depth on that, but I don't have an E flat harmonica. I think it's an E flat, so I don't want to do it in E because it's not going to sound right. And I don't want to buy an E flat harmonica right now. I probably will soon, but for now, I'm probably just going to do a Murlocs tutorial. I think I'm just going to do Think Out Loud by the Murlocs. Just have some fun with that. You know what I'm saying? And then that'll probably give me some time to buy a E flat. I think it's E flat. It might be a different song I was looking at that was an E flat. It might be a B or something. There's another song I want to do. It's in B, but I only have a B flat harmonica. Little stuff like that. It's kind of keeping me from doing a couple certain tutorials. Other than that, hope you guys enjoyed. See you again soon.